get started now. Drop the link out there for you guys. Alright. Stream is live. Let's see if I can remember how to post a link. Options. Oh man, I can't remember where I got the link from last night to show you guys. Let's see. Aha. Let's see if this works. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to start in a few minutes. I'm going to wait and give everybody a chance to join the live cast onto the YouTubes. I'm just basically going to go over the Gapper list and build my, look at the news, go over the Gappers, build my watch list for the day, and then I'll shut it down and get ready for trading. I'll go ahead and mute my mic out now so that you guys don't get a weird echo.
Good luck, trader.
Good luck. Thank you. Hopefully I don't mess up. Everybody left. Everybody's back. Oh, you hear the delay over the YouTube compared to the live chat in the chat room, Abe's? You got a nice clean image, Journey? Nice. Nice. And I will get started here momentarily. Get some more viewers in here. Can you guys hear me okay? Yep. I believe there's like a 30-second delay.
We hear you fine though.
Can't hear anything.
You're good. You just 20 seconds delayed, bro.
Yeah, that's a normal delay there from the time that it is broadcasted until it gets to YouTube and then rebroadcasted to you all the way over there in Cali.
You're good, brother.
That's just funny. We're listening to it like 20 seconds delay.
But you can't tell, Abe's, because I have the chat room muted, so you can't hear me. You can only hear me on YouTube. So if I turn my microphone back on, and then you'll hear the delay. Alright, I'm gonna get started in just a minute. I'm gonna build my watch list for the day, and you guys can watch me while I do it. If you have any questions or anything, I am in the live chat with you guys over there in the room. So I have my earphones in, I can hear you talking.
If you get an alert, we're gonna hear it all late.
Nah, man, I won't get an alert. I'm not going to stream after the market opens. This is only going to take a few minutes, and then I'll shut it down. Join you guys back in the lobby. Alright, we got a few viewers. I'm going to drop a link down here in the room one more time for any late joiners, just in case anybody joined late. Alright, so let's get started. I'll start with the pre-market gappers on TOS. My Size announces the premiere of Box Size ID, the movie. Okay, terrible daily chart. That's not terrible, it's just not great. It's at 90 cents right now. Yeah. You guys, you know I don't like it. I don't like it under $1. And this news doesn't look like anything special. So AMPE, great looking daily chart. No pre-market activity, no news today. DELT, no news today. Decent looking daily chart, nice upward momentum. However, pulled back here pre-market. It's in line here, support resistance. They had no news in months and months and months, so not gonna put that on my list. PSTI, no news, downtrend. Here at the close yesterday, gapped up after hours, no activity this morning, nothing to see here. Cap R, great looking daily chart. Awesome looking pre-market. What do they have? They got some news. 12-month results for their HOPE-1 trial, muscular dystrophy presentation coming up in November. I like this pre-market activity here. I'm gonna put this one on my list. Cap R, CAPR. Let me clear all this. Clear all this business out of here real quick and do pre-market high at $3. So there's a window from $3 up to $3.65. That's pretty significant. Definitely on watch. Above $3 we have $4.17 up to the high of $4.25 there. DRYS is on the gapper this morning. Next, SRAX. This is a low float mover right here. You guys are familiar with this one. It's been going up here since last month. Clear this out. $4.50 pre-market high. Has a nice window here from $4.71 up to $5.73. I will set an alert above $4.71. Above, and put it on my list. SRX. QT&T. Not much activity pre-market there, not much volume. They do have news this morning. $40 million private placement, $4.64. And it's up, it's going up on that news, which is kind of awkward. They reported positive concordance data and validation studies for blood grouping. Looks like they have some good news. Looks like they put out some bad news followed by some good news. They have a pre-market high, aftermarket high of 555. Excuse me. Daily chart is kind of mediocre at best. Pre-market high is under the 200-day average. I mean, if it gets over the 200-day, I don't know. This is like a D quality setup right here. I'll put an alert over the average. Actually, I want to see this over $6, so it's not going on my list, but I will set an alert. CDR. White gapped up pretty big last night. No news and no pre-market activity. Decent looking chart. 585 has room up to $6. From above that, it has room up to $6.15. A little bit of potential there. Aftermarket high was 589, so I'm not going to put this on my list. I'm not even going to set an alert for it. I don't like all this. A lot of resistance over here. Here. Lots of resistance on this one. ALDX. They have some news this morning. Pre-market high is at 680. Right here. Looks like they have an upgrade. $22 price target. Current price $680. Initiated overweight. Price target $22. Announces presentation of results. Presentation will be held at the American Academy. When is the date? November 14th. This is one to keep on your watch list. Ride that hype going into the presentation next month. Okay, the pre-market high is 685. Lots of resistance on this one. Lots of resistance. Lots of resistance here. I don't know if I want to put it on my list. I like it from 9.56 up to $11.90, and we'll set an alert for that. Maybe in a couple days we'll get that triggered. I'm not going to put it on my list today. Just don't like it. AMPE. No pre-market activity, no news. Decent looking chart. Not a lot of potential in here. CDR. We already did this one. Oh yeah, we did this one. ALDX. We did this one. What's going on? XNet. Alright. No news today. Finished strong yesterday. Gapped up after hours. Looks like it's coming down pre-market. Pre-market high was $7.30, which the yearly high was 739 there, so I would expect a sell-off on this today. A pop. Great looking chart. Daily. They have no news. Wait, they have news? No, this is an ADR. No news. Pre-market chart looks pretty bad. Well, I'll take that back. Let's see. It's still holding up here in the upper part of its range. $9.40 right now. Pre-market high of 1073. So above that, there's potential up to 1140. Above that, potential up to 1350. Very nice. Very nice. We'll set an alert above and put this on my list. APOP. All right. SSKN. No news. Sold off into the close yesterday and is gapping down. Moving on. Alright, let's look at what's on the trade idea scanner this morning. MGNX. High dollar stock, $22. Great looking chart. It's above all the averages right now at $22. Oh, there's a nice window here from 2235. 2235 there up to 2616. Very nice. Set an alert above that. They had news this morning, global collaboration and licensing agreement. Put that on my list. What was that? MGNX. Let's see. Went over that one. Went over that one. TYME. Potential method and biomarker for converting malignant tumors to inert. It's pretty big news. Don't like this resistance here. All these moving averages. Pre-market high at 450. That's down here. Excuse me. This is a nasty chart. Does have history of making some moves up, so we will set an alert above pre-market high of 450 here. I guess it does have potential up to $5 with these moving averages holding it down. That's a D quality setup. I'm going to set an alert, but I am not going to put it on my watch list because I don't like it. That's right. Big Papa, welcome to the room. Okay, so moving on to IBN.
Was that last night or anything on this morning?
This is live. DJ. IBN. No news. Horrible chart. Next. Nancy Michael. No news. Decent looking chart. However, it sold off into the close. Gapped up big after hours. No pre-market activity. Potential from $1.94 up to $2.25. Set an alert. Above. Put it on my list. Nancy Michael, let's see, HMY. HMY, no news, horrible chart, sporadic pre-market activity. DELT, looks like this is the last one. No news, decent chart, strong close, moving up in the pre-market, drop down. Let's see here. Clear these old drawings out. Potential from 160 up to 170. I mean, there's 10 cent. It's a 10-cent potential. I mean, if it goes above 170, it has room to 178. Potential 10 to 15% here. I'll put it on the list. Not super excited about this one. So here's my list for the day. CAPR, DELT, MGNX, APOP, SRAX, and NM. Other than that, you guys, we're going to watch the scanner, the Trader Deer scanner this morning to see what's popping at the open. As always, trade safe, trade smart. Don't chase, be patient, don't be greedy. Take your profits when you see them. I hope you guys all have a great day. I'm going to go ahead and shut this down here. APOP, you said, oh, let me look at the chat. Yeah. Gardaki, it's called Stock Traders. Give me 1 second, I'll give you an invite. I'll put an invite link to the room.
Trader, you forgot to say, make sure to end the day on a green note.
No, I don't have any silly sayings like that, Julian. All right, here's it.
Grow some balls, trade hard.
You guys are funny. All right, here's a link to the chat room for you guys that were asking for that. Abe said APOP does have news. Let me go back and look at that. Abe's. Okay. They do not have any news. Okay. Oh, okay. Positive results for 20 patients. Trial with Tel Aviv Medical Center. Major breakthrough. Okay, I don't know how I missed this. I'm glad you called it out, Abe's. I think I still don't like the pre-market chart. I've already marked out where I'm interested. It is on my watch list, so we're good to go on that. Okay. Alright, did that guy make it into the room so I can pull that link down? Yep, I think he did. Alright, you guys, I'm going to stop streaming now and join you back in the chat room. Good luck, everybody out there in YouTube land who is not in the chat room. Good luck. Happy tradings.